Meya me Lira City East Division Otio Donyo Hakun Nyuru Mirimer me Chung me bedo a member me Parliament me Lira City East Okello Ayo Karo Binu Leyo Kawang Jimmy James Michael Akena a me Komkarni Obedo a member me Parliament me Lira City East.
My name is Okello Ayo, and Okello Ayo is the mayor of Lira City Division. I have been in local government politics for now 20 years. I started as area councillor for the Obote County then in 2006 up to 2011. I subdivided them into two and went to Ngata, and I served there for 10 years from 2016 to 2021. I was being now elected as mayor. The first mayor, that record there, the first mayor of Lira City East Division elected was Okello Ayo in 2021 to 2026. I'm now serving my term. And I want to say I'm declaring my candidacy to run as the area member of Parliament for Lira City East Division, which is covering Ngata Sub-County, World Sub-County, Railways Division, Central Division, and Sub-County then, which is now called Lira City East Division. I have served in these places for now 20 years. I was a district vice chairperson and secretary for works, and now the mayor. I've done local politics now for 20 years, that's enough. I intend to go to Parliament because one, I want to improve on key issues in my division. One, I want to make sure that standard of education is improved. And I'm a teacher by profession with masters in education management. So my first priority will target improvement of education, both from nursery, primary, secondary, tertiary institutions like universities, and to make sure that most of our people are educated and they're taking courses that can bring them employment opportunity in the university division. I will support that education personally as a teacher by talking to parents and talking to teachers and talking to relevant authority and lobbying from government how we can develop and support the education system in the university division. Secondly, we still have power and water in the university division. You are aware that Lira City came with some sub-counties then annexed to the city, including Obote, Lira, and then Ngata. All these places that were former sub-counties don't have running waters, don't have flow waters that are coming from natural water and sewage corporation. So we want to make sure that water is extended to all our community down there. So that in the city, we want people now to be not having borehole. If we are going to have borehole, we want to have a borehole that's going to be pumped by a solar system, so that there's a tap water in our area. But I want to improve on power, excess of power. That's the work of a member of Parliament. I want to lobby with government that power is extended to rural areas, so that we can extend cities to the suburb of the rural centers, especially the growth centers of trading centers that are going to be coming to town boards, especially when the city moves in the next development level. So power, taking electricity to other areas will be my priority. And I want to lobby that power be extended to Obote, to area of sub-county, area of the world, and part of Central Division and Railways, which is still not having power. And so that we can take this and Obote, so that we can take this division, so that youth get the opportunity of self-employment opportunities where those who have done technical work, they can do a metal fabrication from that area of jurisdiction. And one and last thing that I want to work on when I'm in Parliament is make sure that there's money in the pocket of my people. I'm going to lobby for projects and support projects differently. The projects that are going to be sent by government, support that, but also want to have my personal initiative as a member of Parliament and make sure that I support different groups that are struggling to make sure that they are transforming the Lira City division economically, and then socially, so that people have money in their pocket to take development to a greater level, where people now can send their children to better schools. Then they can visit hospitals and health centers when they have money and they have good health services, because now they have money, and then they have better life. So that their age, the life expectancy moves to 60 to either 80. We have people who are living, who are staying for so long in my area. But lastly, as today you have seen, I want to make sure that all religious denominations in my area are treated equally. Today I was praying with Muslim community. I donated to them some money to help buy land of mosque in Lira University. I have always supported different churches, Catholic, POG, Church of Uganda, and I want to make sure that I lead by example. I'm a Christian, you know, I am a wedded Christian.